Make a great choice today with the 2022 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.